In 2013, we sold our place in a small town, bought this place. We run a small purebred Simmental operation. We have around 30 here just outside of Portage la Prairie, Manitoba. They're hardy, they're good milking, they've got a lot of motherly instincts. I was actually taking a trip into Winnipeg and I saw a Hustler. My son Jonathan, he looked it up and he thought this was a good idea, so I ordered the Hustler from Saskatchewan. It's very easy to use, it's simplistic, and it's very, very well built. We haven't had to need anything, no parts or anything like that. This top roller spins at 3 times the speed as the bottom roller, and it teases the hay out so it's not so concentrated. You can lay it in a straight line. The first few times we used the Hustler and the track loader, the animals weren't used to it, but once they realized that their food is being brought out, then they would actually chase it. There's often a game of leapfrog going on to try and be the first one to eat it off the Hustler. The animals don't trample it, they eat every last little scrap, they can come back to it. The feed is clean, whereas if you have the bale in the bale feeder, they're pulling it out, they're stepping on it, and it just turns into sloppy mess. Whereas with the Hustler, you can take it and unroll your bale wherever you want. By using this as opposed to some of the other machines that are out there in the industry, the leaves and that stay, all the leaves and all the nutrients will stay there, and it's far more palatable to the actual cattle or whatever you're feeding it to. You get more bang for your dollar because the animals are actually eating it and getting the maximum amount of nutrition. Once we started using the track loader and more so the Hustler, we went from just over 8 bales per animal per year to about 7.1. So it is a huge savings for us. I would recommend them to smaller, larger farms. It's just built rock solid, easy maintenance, and something else is very affordable for us.